Hey guys, Troy here. This is Build My Life by Passion, but done by Bethel. I love this arrangement of this song. We've been doing this particular arrangement since we started doing this song, and the way I've played it, as a lot of the songs do, which is why I love this genre and love playing in church, is that the songs evolve over time, like as our team plays them and as we kind of gel together and as our chemistry gets different and improves, I tend to play the song a bit differently. So this is how I'm playing it now. Really enjoy this song, and we actually played it last week, and my wife led it, which was super cool. And I do a little devotional. We do a little devotional before we go on for the first gathering. And what we talked about there was something that Pastor Eric Mason said in one of his sermons years ago that I listened to. I just loved. And what he said was, do not make Jesus first in your life. Saying that and thinking about it that way tends to make us want to check Jesus off our list and then move on. What he said instead was, we need to make Jesus the center of our life, and everything revolves around him, and everything we do is driven by our desire to glorify him. So the answer to the question, what would glorify God the most, answers every other question that we might have. So it's such a cool perspective, and I feel like build my life, right? Build my life on Jesus. Build my life upon your love. It is a firm foundation. And that's it, man. We got to build our life on Jesus. We have to center our life around Jesus Christ. And I love the message of this song. So if you want the pedalboard shot, the lesson, the tablature, the breakdown of the tones, go ahead and head over to guitarforhisglory.com. That's over there. Otherwise, I hope that you enjoy this playthrough of Build My Life by Passion, done by Bethel.